because I don't really love doing makeup. But because I just want to try the product the YESSTYLE sent to me. So this is it. I'm trying my best. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Lhorsef Lifes, and for today's video, I'm going to do a summer look makeup. And summer is approaching, and I'm planning to do this makeup, the simple makeup that I know, and I will be using the product that YESSTYLE sent to me. So as you can see, I have marks, and I'm using the pimple patch. So I put it here, so I need to remove it. This side, turn, and 2. So before we do our makeup, so we're gonna clean our face, wash our face first. Snail Repairing Foam Cleanser from MIZON, this product. So I wash, and this is so foamy, guys, and very smooth. Then after I use this for washing my face, I will use this toner from Claire's Supple Preparation Facial Toner. So shake and then drop it. Guys, by the way, my nails is, of course, this color is from Saem, and YESSTYLE also sent to me this color, red brown. This one I will using this Keep My Brows Fixer. So I will put this one first. Etude House, and yes, this one. So we're gonna do this one for the eyebrow fixer. It helps a lot, guys, to make our eyebrows, because I don't know how to do my eyebrows. Because it's summer, so I'll be using this sun protection spray, this one, and this is not sponsored, with 50+ SPF. So because I will not using the foundation, I will use this to my face. It's creamy siya, and I will put that. It's really good, guys, to use a sun protection to protect our skin under the sun. So nice. It's water resistant, and of course it have a vitamin E and F and panthenol. So this name is Dermoskin. This is it. And to hide this pimple marks on my skin, I'm gonna use this Garnier BB cream. So I need to dump a small amount of cream, and then to hide our dark spots or like the acne marks. This is it. Let's covering our spots. So next, I will be doing my eyebrow. It will take a lot of time because I don't know how to make my eyebrow perfectly. So using the drawing eyebrow from Etude House, and this product was sent to me by YESSTYLE. So this color is brown because my eyebrow is brown, and this is it, this one. So guys, I'm sorry if I don't know how to use this. The color of my eyebrow is brown. It's not really perfect, my eyebrows, but then put this loose line. Next is I will use this Lady eyeshadow. It's free lang ito nung bumili ako sa my mall, and I will use this color. So bago pa siya, guys. Put this brown. Guys, I'm not perfect in a makeup tutorial. This is my own style because I don't really love doing makeup. But because I just want to try the product the YESSTYLE sent to me, so this is it. I'm trying my best. So this is it. Next, I will be using this MIZON Collagen Curling Fix Mascara the YESSTYLE sent to me. So this is it. So for the blush on, I will using this peach. I'm sorry guys, I put it already. I forgot to on the camera. So this is it. I'm use this one. And I just forgot to on the camera. Lastly, of course, for the lips, I'll be using the Lhorsef Cosmetics, of course, Support Local Brand. And this is a cherry red, the Etude. This is very pigmented. So, this is it, my summer look. So, in 3,